Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. Today I will just give you a link to GameMaker Studio official YouTube channel with official WinDevotes tutorials, so you can follow those and check those, and I think that's really nice and good that people in GameMaker Studio company are working on it and sharing that knowledge, and I haven't checked them yet on my own. I will do that soon, and you can see how they are trying to explain you how to create a pickup, add more enemies. Those two videos are the same, number 3 and 4, how to add a new enemy, anyway, that happens to me also sometimes, to double videos or stuff or whatever. Anyway, the whole idea here is just to share the link with you for this YouTube playlist. It's again official, not something indie or whatever. So the people who made this template, WinDevotes tutorials, they also WinDevotes template, they also made these WinDevotes tutorials, so check them out when you can. I will do that also, but again I will continue with making maybe some of topics they didn't cover here, and which will help you or share my experience with this template, or you can post some questions in comments and see, so we can see what you need most. I will also check these videos and comments there, and again, to come to this level where you can change the gameplay and template and add enemies and so on, you have first to import it. I had the problem with it, I hope you didn't. Then you have to test run the game. I also had the problem and error with it, and that's why I made those videos, and that's why I will continue to do so, but maybe not very fast. I will probably make a couple of other videos first, and also I will also try to experiment a little bit with this template here, towers versus monster, which is tower defense. I will try to import and test run that one now and play with it. So anyway, stay tuned, and feel free to comment, feel free to ask questions. I made a couple of those videos just to make some kind of concept, some kind of focus on those problems and those concepts of file formats, problems with them and so on. So because that's what game development reality is, but these templates are great stuff, and you can learn a lot on your own from it, even if I don't make videos soon. So don't wait for me, just keep on playing, keep on experimenting, searching, testing and so on. So don't be afraid to change that template and try to make something on your own. Thanks for watching, and see you in next video, and I will post the link to this WinDevotes tutorials official GameMaker YouTube list, so you can check these videos in meantime until I make some new. Bye for now.